Did I quit YouTube? A ton of people out there think I did, or think I should have. 6 months ago, I posted a video where I said, I am thinking of retiring. Actually, what I said, I will put right here, word for word. It's time for me to start slowing it down and possibly bringing it to a close. That brings me to my big announcement. I have decided that over the next year of YouTube, I'm going to slowly bring my channel down. In a year's time, I'll decide if that's it, I'm done, or if I want to continue at a smaller level. Now, there are a ton of people out there who misunderstood that, thinking that I was quitting right there, right then, and never posting again. They have left a ton of comments on my videos saying that I'm a scammer, I'm a fraud, I'm a liar, that I was just doing it for clickbait, all these really mean things. But if you listen to it, I was pretty clear that I was giving myself 1 year to bring my YouTube down to a new level, whatever that level might be, that I can sustain moving forward. Yes, it might be nothing. I might quit entirely. Well, I thought I'd give you an update of where I've taken things in the last 6 months. So, in the last 6 months, I've renegotiated with my editor, so we have gone from 8 videos being edited a month down to 4 videos being edited a month. I have cut my videos in half. I'm doing half as many videos as I was before. You may not notice it on YouTube because when I was doing 8, I was only probably posting 6 of them to YouTube. Some of them just never made the cut. Some of them only went to Facebook. I was filming more than I was posting. And now I am posting everything I film for a month, which as I go through my surplus of videos, eventually for a month will not actually fill every Sunday slot. Eventually some Sunday slots will probably get missed. But yes, I've brought down my videos by half. Another thing I've done to make my life better is I've actually had my wife come on a lot of videos with me. That was one of the problems, is I never got to see my family. So now my wife is coming on a lot of other videos with me, and you'll probably seen that on my channel. She shows up in a lot of videos. And that makes it more tolerable to me for continuing making videos if I get to spend time with Dana. Also, we just got back from Europe. This is the first time in, I don't know, like 10 years that we have gone on a vacation. Last time we went on a vacation probably wasn't 10 years ago. It's probably 7 years ago. We went to Mexico. We haven't had a vacation in all that time. Finally, because my son had a program at the University of Amsterdam, we went over to pick him up. We got to spend a week in Europe, which was awesome. It's the first time in years I've had a proper vacation. I didn't even bring my cameras with me. So, in the last 6 months, half the videos, more time with the family, actually took a vacation, and I'm spending a whole lot more time at home. I still don't know where I will land in the year's time, but this new level I'm at right now is much more sustainable for me. As I said, you might not notice much of a difference on YouTube, but I notice a huge difference, and so does my family. We'll see. Give it another 6 months, and we'll see where we're at. Hope that clears things up for all you people out there who thought I made that video only to get views. No. I am bringing it down slowly.